Hey, what's up everybody? Brent from Brenspeed. Today is an awesome day. Guess what? Our Coyote swap is alive and you're gonna get to hear it running, and boy does it sound awesome. So don't forget, subscribe, hit notify, that's gonna stay up to date. But right now, before we hear it run, we're gonna check out my suspension. Most of it came in, some is still in back order. I've got some drag springs, some killer components from STEEDA. Let's go see what's going on in the car right now, then let's come back and hear this bad boy running. So my STEEDA suspension that I've been waiting on finally came in for the most part. A couple parts aren't here, but I will show you those another day. Now don't forget, I'm gonna show you a lot of things. I will have links in the description so you can learn all about it. Always check the description, that's where you're gonna find out. If you haven't been watching the behind the scenes, you've been missing out. These episodes are cool, but the behind the scenes are gonna show you a lot more info. So what's going on right now is I have some parts from STEEDA. So I'm gonna show you these first. These are our lower control arms we're gonna use, and they have a spherical end. Now, that's poly. So on a normal street car, a lot of times you stay away from spherical. It is gonna have a lot of clunking, but for drag racing, this is the best. You don't have to worry about any splitting out of your bushings. So I have a CNC machine, billet, lower control arm right here. We're also gonna use the STEEDA relocation brackets as well, because the car is gonna be lower, so we want the relocation brackets. And then I have a new upper control arm mount, killer, as well as a adjustable upper control arm, which will keep my drive shaft angle correct, and I have a spherical bushing on that as well. Another cool part going on today is I have my strange front struts, and like I told you before, on the rear shocks I did the budget, I did the single adjustable. That's how these are as well. So still a really good drag strut. They are adjustable. It's a single adjustable. If you want to learn more about some of these parts, just check the description, but they are adjustable. That's going to be great for it to track, fine tweak it. I'm also going to use a Ford Performance upper strut mount. So the car had 130,000 miles on it. I'm definitely not using those old ones. These right here I think are based off the GT500. Killer mount works on the 05 to 14 Mustangs. That's going to be sweet, as well as this set of drag springs right here. They're going to give this car a sick ride height. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to let Dylan get started on installing all these parts. But before he does, let's go over, I want to show you the brakes I'm running on the front. Huge weight savings. Let's go check them out. So these are my race brakes. These were actually off my 2016 S550. So I got a hold of my buddy JC at Strange and said, hey, how can I take my old brakes off my S550, put them on this 05? And I was able to reuse my old calipers. I had to get new rotors, but for the most part, besides a bracket, everything was interchangeable. Weight on these, the weight savings is huge. So we weighed a factory rotor, caliper, and I think with this right here, per side was a 15-pound weight reduction, and 10 of those 15 pounds came straight from the rotor alone. This rotor weighs nothing basically. I did, use these on my 16 on the street some. They are a drag race only. You're not going to put something like this on and go road racing or even do a daily driving type scenario. But for drag racing or a little bit of street driving, they're perfect. And I want the weight savings because I want to be able to have the best weight transfer possible. So there's my Strange race brakes. That's what I got on the front. Probably going to run stock on the back. I don't want to spend any money on that. But that's the front right there. So I'm going to let him finish this up. We're going to come out and hear this beast run. This big moment right here. Coyote swap starting up. The sound I was looking for. Now I am stoked about that right there. Look at the suspension. This is the look I was looking for right here. I got the drag springs on. The STEEDA suspension. This car is gonna hook. The Race-Star wheels look killer. This car is gonna be awesome. I'm down to very few things left to do. I need to put the shifter in. If it gets here, it should be coming up really quick. And I have an anti-roll bar. Once we get that on, this thing is about ready to hit the track. Now don't forget, I'm going to do behind the scenes on the engine. I want to show you the engine and everything we've done with that, problems we faced and problems we didn't face. A lot of things went really, really good. So we're going to check that out, as well as other behind the scenes on other things on this car. So I'm Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks for watching. The Coyote swap car is running. I'm super pumped about that. Leave a comment, be happy to answer. And as well, subscribe, hit notify, it's going to stay up to date. And you know what? You want something like this? Email quote@brenspeed.com or call us 574-594-9559. I'm just really pumped right now. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching.